Solar panels will generate an electric current when light is directed at them. So the sun is a great energy resource. It releases a huge amount of energy, it heats the planet, and it's the start of the food chain. And of course it will last for millions of years. Solar panels harness this energy by converting it into an electric current. When the light falls on the panels, electrons are released within the material and can carry electric current. But unfortunately, solar panels don't produce much electricity compared to other resources. You aren't expected to know the details of how solar panels work for your exam. So in what ways are solar panels used? In the UK, solar panels contribute to the national grid, or they can power individual homes and devices. Solar farms contribute to the national grid. They need hundreds of panels and they move to face the sun. These are used to power the country. Solar panels can also be used in homes in the form of roof panels. This reduces a reliance on the national grid and powers individual homes. Solar panels can also be used on devices like calculators. They're used to charge up the battery and they don't need much light. There are lots of examples of solar panels around us, such as in certain traffic lights, even smartwatches and power banks. But why aren't solar panels more commonly used? The electricity generated by solar panels is greatly reduced when the weather is cloudy. So solar panels are less effective on cloudy days as there's less sunlight. There's therefore less current produced as less energy is provided by the sun to release electrons from their bonds. The panels won't stop producing electricity entirely, but it will be less. So is there a way we can adapt the national grid for the unreliability of solar panels? Some countries using solar energy use it as a substitution for fossil fuels when conditions allow. So solar energy is preferable to fossil fuels as it's renewable and clean. But fossil fuels are more reliable as they can be burnt at any time. We can switch between solar and fossil fuels. So for example, on a cloudy day, we'll make use of fossil fuels. However, on a sunny day, we'll use solar power instead of fossil fuels. This also applies to homes fitted with solar panels as well as the national grid. You don't need to memorise this system for your exam, but you might be expected to describe its advantages. So what are the overall advantages and disadvantages of solar energy? The advantages of solar power are that it's clean and renewable, so there's no pollution and it's near limitless as it comes from the sun. It's also easy to set up. The parts can be manufactured off-site and it's small and cheap to build. The disadvantages, however, are that it's weather dependent, so we can't use it when it's cloudy. It also has a low energy gain, so we need hundreds of panels to match fossil fuel output.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy to follow videos and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Physics course. See you there!